in a beautiful way. Their performances have been really wonderful and thoroughly enjoyable. Actually, on this occasion, I don't want to speak much. Only a couple of suggestions I would like to give to children. They should, the first suggestion to them is that they should take care of the information explosion. Now we are having too much information through TV, newspapers, then internet, social media. So children should not get carried away because most of the time, most of the information is useless from a practical and personal point of view. Because we'll be hearing that some bomb exploded in some country, something else happened somewhere. And nowadays it is becoming a trend to react to every small and big event on the social media. This, by doing this, the children would be frittering away their energies in useless manner. So my advice is, you try to sift the relevant information from the irrelevant information and focus on what you want to achieve in life. And the second and the final suggestion I would like to give is, nowadays it has become a fashion for everybody to say that dream big, dream high. Dreaming big and high in itself is not okay. Always sustain. Unless sustained effort goes into what you are dreaming for, and a lot of perseverance is required to attain the goal set for yourself. Otherwise, the whole thing will become hawa mehal. So, you try to set your goal as to what you want to do in your life and go steadfastly after the goal. Then only you will be able to achieve something in life. With these few words, I thank the school management for giving me this opportunity, and I feel this school has got a lot of progress to make in the years to come, and the children will certainly do, the children by their performance will enhance the name and the prestige of the school. With this hope, thank you and goodbye.
Thank you so much, sir, for the chief guest of today's. To a huge round of applause. Muhammad Ali, son of Muhammad Khatib of class 4th B. Suhana Begum, daughter of Amina Khan, daughter of Muhammad Ghaus Khan of class 4th D. Muhammad Osaf Shahid, son of Aslam Shahid of class 5th A. Muhammad Abdullah Zubair, son of Muhammad Ismail of class 5th B. Aisha Begum, daughter of Muhammad Abdul Shafiq of class 5th C. Zohab Fatima, daughter of Nadeemullah Khan of class 5th D. Audience, put your hands together. Muhammad Yahya Khan, son of Muhammad Yusuf Khan of class 6th A. Muhammad Hussain, son of Muhammad Muzaffar Sharif of class 6th A. Sayyid Mustafa Amir, son of Sayyid Ishaq Ahmad of class 6th B. Sayyid Nureen Fatima, daughter of Sayyid Jamil of class 6th C. Mansoor bin Salam Bahiyar, son of Salam bin Umar of class 7th A. Muhammad Faiz Ahmad, son of Muhammad Zahir Ahmad of class 7th B. Sabah Salma, daughter of Muhammad Jalil Khan of class 7th C. Muhammad Abbas, son of Muhammad Zahid of class 8th A.
ओके बेटा.
Son of Fatima, daughter of Muhammad Alim Qureshi of class 8B. Muhammad Zabiullah Khan, son of Muhammad Ataullah Khan of class 9A. Meher Fatima, daughter of Sayyid Mahmud Hussain of class 9th B.
Okay.
Audience, put your hands together and encourage our students who got prizes.
चलिए.
Now our correspondent sir, Mr. Mustafa Ali sir, is felicitating the chief guest of today with moment to ensure. I request the audience to give welcome our chief guest with a huge round of applause.
I request our chief guest to leave the balloons bunch and show our patriotism and encourage the children to increase the patriotism in them and wholeheartedly serve to the nation. Audience and students, give a huge round of applause. Oh, wow, what a nice scene to enjoy. See, the patriotic enthusiasm which we have doesn't want to leave our progress group of institutions. Wonderful, wonderful. At the top, green in the middle and the white, which stands for various great things in our life. Thank you very much, sir.
girls. Moving on to the next performance.
कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। आ, 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 हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, डाले हाथों में हाथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, डाले हाथों में हाथ एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज, नहीं डर किसी का आज एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Thank you so much, boys, for such a love.
जनता भूमि बैरों की नगरी, कौन किसी की सुनता, अपना काम बनता, भाड़ में जाए जनता। ये देश का वीर जवानों का, अब रह गया पैमानों का। ये देश का वीर जवानों का, अब रह गया पैमानों का। अरे बदल गया इतिहास है, रावण की लीला बाज है, रावण की लीला है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, आम आदमी उदास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है, बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है। पैसा पैसा है रे पैसा, पैसा पैसा है रे पैसा, पैसा पैसा है रे पैसा, ऊपर लेके जाऊं कैसा हो। पैसे की आबाद आती है, भोली सूरत में बाती है, हर जेब में रिश्वत रख दो तुम्हें हर गलती की माफी है। सच्चाई का मुद्दा काला है, झूठेगा बोल काला है, अरे इनमें घोटाला करते हैं, ये कहते नहीं डरते हैं। सच्चाई का काम तुम्हारा है, लेकिन ये देश हमारा है।
Wow! It was mind-blowing. Now, again it's a time to acknowledge the talents of our globalites by presenting them prizes. Now, I request the guest of honor of today,
Sir,
Ali Yasin, son of Yasin Sharif of class 9th A.
yes, sir.
Aziz Hamdi, son of Hassan Hamdi of class 9th A.
Yeah, beta. Thank you.
Madin Ismail Khan, son of Muhammad Ismail Khan of class 9th A.
Right. Okay.
Khalid Fayyad, son of Muhammad Fayyad of class 9th A.
Yeah, beta.
Audience, put your hands together for our students.
एक मिनट
Next, Muhammad Zakiuddin Ansari of class 1st A. Atik Rayyan, son of Sheikh Basit of class 1st B.
Okay.
Sayyida Lubna Fatima, daughter of Ishaq Ahmad of class 1st C. Audience, put your hands together.
गुरु करेंगे.
Sani Bamuni, daughter of Abdullah bin Hassan of class 1st C. Muhammad Abdul Ali, son of Abdul Zardar of class 1st B.
Okay.
Sumayya, daughter of Muhammad Akbar of class 1st D. Maryam Fatima, daughter of Muhammad Ibrahim of class 1st D.
Okay.
Shifa Mohammadi,
National-
daughter of
Okay,
Muhammad
okay.
Akhtaruddin of class 1st F. Rimsha Khan, daughter of Muhammad Zahid Ahmad Khan of class 1st F. Audience, put your hands together, everyone. Sayyida Hafsa, daughter of Sayyid Hamid of class 2nd B.
2-3 बार लगी. Okay.
Muhammad Misbahul Haq, son of Muhammad Nurul Haq of class 2nd A.
Okay.
Muhammad Muzammil, son of Muhammad Tahir of class 2nd B.
बेटा या. Thank you.
Sayyida Shafia Hani, daughter of Sayyid Akram Moin of class 2nd C. Fauzia Fatih, Arfia Khan, daughter of Muhammad Nadeem Khan of class 2nd E. Sohail bin Hussain, son of Hussain bin Umar of class 3rd A. Abdullah Khan, son of Akmal Khan of class 3rd B.
Okay, बेटा.
Zoha Firdaus, daughter of Sayyid Usman Pasha of class 3rd C.
Yes.
Amtisal 3rd D. Sidwat Jahan, daughter of Ejaz Ahmad Qadri of class 3rd D.
जाओ बेटा.
Umme Tahura, daughter of Muhammad Isaq Ahmad of class 3rd D.
Okay.
Muhammad Mudassir Khan, son of Muhammad Ali Khan of class 4th A.
Thank you.
Muhammad Abdul Khizar, son of Muhammad Shakir of class 4th B.
Okay.
Suhana Begum, daughter of Abdul Shakir of class 4th C. Zoha Fatima, daughter of Abdul Javed Sheikh of class 4th D. Fawaz Muhammad, son of Muhammad Abdul Ghani of class 5th A. Sayyid Rasool, son of Sayyid Mubin of class 5th B. Come on audience, again put your hands together and support. Isha Abbas Khulaqi, daughter of Abbas bin Ali Al-Khulaqi of 5th D. Muhammad Jawad, son of Muhammad Shafi of class 6th B. Zainab Unisa, daughter of Mirzazi Sayyid Ziauddin of class 6th A, 7th B. Muhammad Muzammil, son of Muhammad Moiz of class 7th B. Sabah Salma, daughter of Muhammad Jalil Khan of class 7th C.
पढ़ नहीं है जान दो.
Sayyid Nuruddin, son of Sayyid Ziauddin of class 8th A. Arshia Shirin, daughter of Sheikh Muhammad Mia Qureshi of class 8th B.
यहाँ देख धरो.
Muhammad Tosin of class 9th A.
Okay बेटा.
Meher Fatima, daughter of Sayyid Mahmood Hussain of class 9th B. Again audience, put your hands together for the students.
Sir, thank you.
of animals.
Okay.
Eminent members of the faculty, dear children, and my dear friends. First things first of all, best wishes on 68th Republic Day celebrations to each and everyone gathered here. I still remember the days of my school when I was about to take some gifts like this, and today's presence here reminded me of those good olden days. I thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity, especially to the school management. Republic Day, as you all know, it is the day on which our constitution we adopted from this day. So what is constitution? If we make a question, it is nothing but it's a set of rules and regulations to make our own administration of the country. It gives equal rights to all the citizens, equality, sovereignty in a democratic manner. So that is the objective of the independence. So that is why we celebrate Republic Day every 26th January of every year. When it comes to the equality, our country, as you are seeing today, the situation, we are actually divided by caste, creed, race, religion, and everything. And national days like this will bring us the spirit of nationalism and the spirit of patriotism, and that will keep us united. So whatever the religion you belong, whatever the caste that we belong, doesn't matter when the matter of patriotism comes. So as Indians we are together, and as Indians we live for the country and we die for the country. And when the education in a good institute like this, I am sure the management will impart you the quality education which requires the present standards of life. Today, the education has become the right. It is every child's right to get education. Education not only gives you the book knowledge, but it will give you how best you should thrive in your life. It gives you the sense of knowledge. It gives you the how to behave in your day-to-day situations. The best examples are, I'll give you one best example between growth and development. I do remember a scene from a movie, that is a movie called Schindler's List, wherein the Hitler's army, Nazis, they capture Jews and they will make them as slaves. One day in an army barracks, one chicken was lost, and all the slaves are blamed for that. An army officer took a gun and made all the slaves to parade before them, and they are inquiring who actually stole the chicken. But nobody came out. The army officer shot one fellow and he died instantly. He again questioned the parade, who stole the chicken? Nobody came forward. He again repeated. So one small boy, he is shivering. So he came forward And the army officer asked him, "Are you the person who stole the chicken?" And he replied, "It's not me, sir, but I know who stole it." The officer asked, "Who stole it?" He showed the dead body. He is the person who stole the chicken. So that is the sense of mind. You should act according to the situation, and education will bring you such development in your mind. I hope the Progress Global High School and other group of institutions are successful in bringing out the best among the children joined in their educational institution. We don't want the bookish knowledge, but we want the good citizens. And quality education will always result in providing the best citizens of India, as we are seeing today. And the country needs the best citizens of India, and I hope all the children of this school will do their best, study well, and become the very good citizens of India. Many thanks to the opportunity I was given, and I wish you all the best to all the children and to the management. Thank you very much.
Once again, I welcome him to our gathering. Audience, welcome our teachers with a huge round of applause.
Sir, come close, sir. Please, please, sir. Yeah.
Category goes to Ayan Muhammad, son of Ghulam Muhammad Siddiqui of class 6A. Muhammad Muzammil Khan, son of Muhammad Khan of class 8A. Now the prizes for the Kabaddi Junior goes to Iram Rania, daughter of Muhammad Mujahid Ali of class 6C. Zoha Fatima, daughter of Muhammad Akram Ali of class 6C. Fudus Shabbir Ahmad, daughter of Shabbir Ahmad of class 6C. Sumayya Nausheen, daughter of Muhammad Abdul Raza of class 8B. Audience, put your hands together. Sheikh Aisha, daughter of Sheikh Mohiuddin of class 8B. Rahmatul Nisa, daughter of Muhammad Yusuf Khan of class 8B.
Yes, sir.
Afreen Unnisa, daughter of Muhammad Alimuddin Khadri of class 8B.
ये स्कूल के
Arman Fatima, daughter of Ghulam Mustafa. Now the prizes for the Kabaddi boys seniors goes to class 7B. Sheikh Haris, son of Sheikh Irfan of class 7B. Khaja Tawfiq Ibrahim, son of Khaja Tayyib Ibrahim of class 7B. Muhammad Rehan Ahmad, son of Muhammad Raees Ahmad of class 7B. Muhammad Faisal bin Salim, son of Muhammad Salim of class 9A.
Thank you, sir.
I request one of the Director of Progress Group of Institution, Mr. Mirza Ibrahim Ali Beg sir, to join us in the prize distribution. Now the next category is of Kabaddi Girls Senior. Afifa Jahan Riyaz, daughter of Riyaz Ahmad Khadri of class 7C. Mehak Fatima, daughter of Sayyid Mehmood Hussain of class 9B. Khatijatul Kubra, daughter of Rafi Haider Shakib of class 9B. Adiba Ansari, daughter of Muhammad Zakiuddin Ansari of class 9B. Audience, give a huge round of applause. Amatul Aziz, daughter of Muhammad Anwarul Haq of class 9B. Soha Fatima, daughter of Muhammad Akram Ali of class 9B. Zinat Fatima, daughter of Abdul Wahid of class 9B. Sayyida Farha Fatima, daughter of Sayyid Farooq of class 9B. Now the prizes for the Urdu handwriting competition are, sir, to give away the prizes for the Urdu handwriting competition. B. Sayyid Abdullah Abdul Mohsin of class 3rd B. Mahiba Sultana of class 3rd C.
Students to encourage the children with thunder of class.
Zoha Firdaus of class 3rd C. Sumayya Fatima of class 30. Umme Zahura of class 30. Mohammad Muaz of class 4th.
जया बेटा
Mohammad Farhan Khan
Thank you.
of class 4th. Mohammad Mubashir Ali of class 4th B. Ovais Ahmed of class 4th B. Hen Begum of class 4th C. Sumaya Sultana of class 4th D. Ufera Se. Afa Khabib of class 5th A. Mohammad Asaf Shahid of class 5th B. Mohammad Sufyan of class 5th B.
या बेटा या
Aisha Begum of class Firdaus Sultana of class 5th D. Safa Sultana of class 5th D. Audience, let's put your hands together for the winners of our school competition. Thank you so much, sirs.
थैंक यू
Narrator, Nehru Zoological Park, Hyderabad with a shawl and memento. Audience, let's put your hands together.
थैंक यू
It is the special guest of today, shawl and memento. Audience, put your hands together.
एक मिनट
Celebrating your birthday, 2 students, come here forward. My birthday girls. Your birthday, very good, very nice. Come on, beta. There are 2 students who are celebrating their birthday today. They got Republic along with us. God bless them.
So these 2 children are very lucky to get blessings of so many people present in the gathering. Now Mehak Fatima of 9th class is going to present oath of thanks and thank everyone present here and who have helped us in the success of this program.
On behalf, extend a very hearty word of thanks to one and all present here. I express my deep gratitude to our beloved chief guest and guest of honor of this occasion, who despite of numerous and rather tight schedules have found time to grace this occasion personally. We are indeed grateful for the gift of your time and honor of your presence. I, on behalf of everyone, would like to congratulate all participants for leading well in attending many great accomplishments and also the students who enjoyed the program by silence with discipline. My thanks would be incomplete unless I place on record my deep felt respect, love and gratitude to our beloved correspondent sir, Principal Madam, faculty, non-teaching staff for inspiring, motivating and leading us to this platform to show our work. Thank you one and all for making the program successful. Jai Hind.
Now I request everyone to stand by for the national anthem. Stand in attention.